In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find, choose, and customize a Smartsheet template for your workflow. To get started, open Smartsheet and head to the template area, sometimes called the template gallery or solution center, depending on your account view. This is where Smartsheet organizes pre-built options for different kinds of work, like project tracking, task management, budgeting, requests, and team operations. Starting here can save you a lot of setup time because you are not building everything from scratch. Once you're in the template or solution center, use the search bar to look for the type of template you need. Be specific with your search terms so the results are more useful. For example, instead of searching something broad, try using the exact kind of process or project you want to manage. This helps narrow down the available templates and makes it easier to find something relevant to your day-to-day work. As you review the results, take a moment to compare Smartsheet native templates with options that feel more like traditional Excel-style layouts. Some templates are designed to take full advantage of Smartsheet features such as automation, dependencies, and collaborative tracking, while others are structured more like a familiar spreadsheet. If you're moving over from Excel, this comparison is especially helpful because it lets you choose a format that feels comfortable while still supporting your workflow. After that, choose the template that best matches how you actually work. Focus on the overall structure, the fields included, and whether the layout supports the information you need to track. It's better to pick something close to your process rather than something overly complex, since simpler templates are usually easier to adjust. Next, customize the template so it fits your needs. Update the columns and rows, adjust any formulas, and change the formatting to make the sheet easier to read and use. This is the step where the template becomes your own system instead of a generic starting point. As you make changes, try to keep the layout clear and consistent so the sheet stays easy to maintain over time. Once the structure looks right, begin adding your own data into the template. Enter real tasks, dates, owners, budgets, or whatever information applies to your process. Adding actual data helps you confirm that the template works the way you expect and shows you if any final tweaks are needed. When everything is set up, save the template or sheet for future use. That way, you can return to it whenever you need it, reuse the format for new projects, and keep your work organized more efficiently.